Hello. Well, I do apologize for doing the first one wrong, but all the same, now I can show you what this apartment is really like. So, if you'll take a look out here, this is my TV and stuff. It's my Wii, Xbox, and movies. I love just sitting on this couch, this big comfy couch, and watching this TV. It is fantastic. I do it almost all the time. And it's one of the favorite things I do in this apartment. I also like this kitchen right here. A lot of the cooking takes place around here, and it's more than fantastic. It's just a joy to be cooking again on this campus. And if you look in here, you'll see my laptop and my monitor here, if I can switch on the light. I work on a lot of my assignments here, and it's pretty fantastic to have it, because before last year I never got the chance to work on anything with this stuff, and now I can. So, truth be told, this apartment's fantastic, and I could not have asked for a better place for this senior year.